people, we don't come again today. Nana Bikana Day, they hear his voice, the voice of Biafra. Today, that's a special program. You get things we don't they happen for our land, and we say maybe we talk them today. Because the thing don't they disturb me, don't they chop my insides. Because the thing don't they, in fact, recently say I almost get wahala with somebody. Now about expensive burial for our land. Expensive burial. I won't talk about that today. Because for a few weeks, people don't add me for WhatsApp group. People will say their papa died, their mama died, they raise money. I know say we they help friends, we go help relatives, where that. But the way we they make budget for people will die, now that one they fear me, and now what we won't talk about today. Somebody go die. We will kind of keep for mortuary for months, spend money. We go begin build a new house or renovate house. This person, when he dey alive, he dey live for dilapidated house where the whole roof dey leak. If rain fall, your mama, your papa, he dey inside that place. This side dey leak. They go use pocket put everywhere inside house. When one of them come die, now that time, he go remember, say he go remove the whole house. Now that time, where the family go know, say they go paint the whole house. All of us, they at fault too, including myself. And the thing, I don't think myself, waiting be the madness, we don't befall our people. Maybe if when this people they are alive, people say we renovate the house. You renovate the house, the children renovate the house. Maybe this person will even live longer. But in their house, you go look left, roof, you go look right, block don't crack. You go look the whole environment they very dirty. Nobody don't maintain the house for ages. Maybe the thing that cause depression. The person die immediately. Because why are they talk? You get somebody where I they discuss with. The mama died at age of 81, which not be bad thing. If I die age of 81, I go there very happy. You understand? So the person come to tell me how much they budget. Say they budgeted 4.8 million. I said, why? This thing why they talk no be for rich people. I need to talk for people who get money. If you get money, spend how you want them. That one no be my wahala. But I talk about people who they manage. You know they manage. You know they spend 4.8 million for burial. I say, what thing happen? He say, the house they bad. They get to renovate the house. They go to even build boys' quarter. I say, wait, why? Because the papa don't die. Even the mama who died, be not even lived for the place. The man even they live for the sister house. Say they go because people they come. The thing where because most of the things we they do and make our friends see where we they because all these things we na fake life. We don't live. You want to impress people. So when people come, they go say, hey, now if you see their house, now house they're beautiful. Oh. If you come the burial, people will chop or chop or chop or chop. How people they come burial, na chop they their head. People they come burial and drink. 4.8 million. These people were not be say na rich people. Then they hear say people they budget for casket coffee. Coffee where you go inside ground. 500,000, 500,000 to buy Igbos. 500,000 to buy coffee. To bury somebody who don't die. This person who don't die no see that money when he die alive. Maybe for that when he die alive, you carry that money, say, Mama, take this 500,000. Papa, take the. In fact, the blessing where you go get, say, in fact, the thing if you even add 10 years. The woman will just go buy wrapper, buy everything. If the happiness will increase her years. Now you go use buy one piece of wood where they knock together, where get rotten inside ground. And meanwhile, when on finish the burial, people they finish burial, they owe money. My brothers and sisters, no ever borrow. no ever borrow to bury anybody. When we could suppose they cry, say we lose somebody, they cry no they be. When people die nowadays, the family no they cry, no they too much cry because they lose somebody in many cases. The family they cry now, where we go get money to bury this person will die. My brothers and sisters, now why when Anambra State government come up with that law, say look, say people don't die, no they keep them for mortuary for that long. I happy. I don't know how they go implement them, but it be like say we get this culture of death, culture of praising death. But there's something we call last respect. Say we they give the person last respect. I don't know the meaning of this last respect. Because we have an adage, the respect we give somebody who die not to bury him. Some people even determine, you get people who don't discuss in our culture. I ask them where we get this culture. Because the research what I do be say, if an Inze die, na that same day they bury an Inze. In pre-colonial Igbo. If also die, na that same day then they bury also. In pre-colonial Igbo. Forget this nonsense where they read for paper, say they can give the person, go begin the cut head, where they go, all those things are nonsense. Don't think if they alive, tell people say, no, I don't want all those nonsense. The way where the Inze of those days, then they bury, so they bury the TKD. Now, so we supposed to do for this life we day now. Make we stop this stupid, this madness. The Ashebi, Unogokos, so Ashebi. If you get money, if your family they rich, no while. But now people where they manage, where I they talk to, people where they manage. Somebody die. Forget about all those spending money. Mortuary do this, the church people do this. Oh boy, if church people say, now so time you go give them so amount of money, carry pastor and that pastor make them bury that person. If the in-laws say you go bring Nama, forget those in-laws. They are not important. Because everything where you call culture, you get when it starts, you get when it go end. You get the useless one where we get for, because for this struggle, we dey look at the culture where we get. Because now here we go the target. If we clean up this place, my brother, things go to move for our society. Now why I say make we do this small program, make we talk to people. I don't know why somebody go die. Then go they call people come and buy land. People don't call me come buy land. I say I no get money to buy land. They say their papa died. They won't sell land. What sort of madness be this one, I beg? Papa died. You won't sell land where una supposed keep, or even sell land, do investment, or even sell land, you send children to school, so that they go acquire knowledge, even make money in future, get bigger house, or even sell land, invest in something big. You can't sell land to bury people, so that people go clap for you. Nah, oh boy, that day, people drink, even with the Jews and the post. Now, what happened that day? People would drink, they fall for ground. Is that a thing of joy? That the day of burial was the day people became so stupid. Now, what we supposed to clap? Say people drink finish, then they fall for ground, then they vomit everywhere. I beg honor. This one depend me. I know see get a lot of people who don't ask this question. Where we get this kind thing? Even a man will be one tap away die. Then go budget say then go do announcement for radio. This man when he die alive, you know his name never appear for any newspaper. Now when he die, a one tapper come appear for newspaper, appear for TV, appear for radio, announcement day, the children they papa don't die. They tell your friends where live for Abuja, your friends live for Lagos. They show them the newspaper. This so person, the children, this one reverend so thing, this one professor so thing. They even some people they line up all the degrees where their children they get. I ask myself where we get this kind of culture, where we get this kind of madness. Because he get the adage where we talk for Igbo land. Your job for Roman. If bad thing exceed 1 year, it don't become culture. So this idea, expensive burial, where we they do for our land, don't turn to our culture. It's bad. Because people there for that place, even relatives there for that place, will not get money to register for WAEC, register for JAM. Go. In fact, many people don't drop out of university, don't drop out. When children don't drop out of school because they don't pay money. But for that place, as soon as somebody die, they begin raise money. Money don't come. Associations where they, organizations where they for our land, the ones why I don't join, the ones why I know, all of them get provision. Waiting them go do for somebody, their member will die. But nobody, none of them where I know, will get provision for waiting we go do for a member where they homeless. Waiting we go do for a member where they critically ill. Waiting we go do for a member where lose his job or her job. No organization where I know for our land will get provision for that. Now death. Now why I say culture of death. Now we don't promote. Now death. Our member die, we give her 1 million. Our member die, we give her. What happened when your member is homeless? Because a lot of death now preventable death. Because of hardship, the thing will lead to depression. The thing will destroy the whole immune system. Before they know sickness don't come, before they know death. Maybe if this organization they say, see what thing we go do, any of our member will get serious problem, financial problem. See the thing. Make we leave the death on. Make we begin think of the living people where they alive. Make we begin to do that one. If somebody die, oh boy, make we no come they spend too much money. Eat for your house they go. If you reach there, food they good. Drink for your house you go. If you reach there, drink they good. No, you know if you please everybody. Because all the money you think say you spend, people go talk about that highest 1 week. The story don't work. So I use this opportunity, make we they ask, I will tell our people, say, please do not borrow to bury. Do not sell land to bury anybody. Even the dead people, the way they package people where don't die. Expensive clothes where those people know where when they die alive. Now people go cut very expensive lace. Maybe if you buy the lace, give them when they die alive. Maybe the happiness where they give and receive go there too much. So now today, now here we go stop today. Make we please talk to other people. No that allow people to put you under pressure. As I did when people call, this way, I said no, but if I did, I hold I give. If I know they disturb myself. Nobody fit put me under pressure. They never born the person well. You know fit make everybody happy. You know fit. Somebody don't die. In fact, in those days when we did, you get one man where they call Professor Escotoyo, University of Calabar, the wife for that. The economics department people where go there, some of my friends, they say, as then they buried the, I know talk so many people do like that too. As then they buried the wife, the man don't enter motor, they go. No food, no water, no. Now the students themselves, now then contribute money, even buy something where they give people. And they come back, they vest, they have them. Even some of us, then ignorantly with the talk saying that man no do well. You know. Then I come to think about it. Why is it now when person die, now we go, some people even go take medicine to clear all their stomach, prepare to chop that day. I beg, now here we go stop, make we just take things easy. This message no for people who be billionaires. You can spend your money anywhere. We are talking about people where they manage. Please do not spend so much for burial. Make we stop here. I beg, make una try to share this information, like our page. Just make sure you share and make it reach many other people. Because this message, it will help a lot of people. Because the madness must stop. Thank you. Bye-bye and take good care of yourself.
Ebeka unu si Biafra, Ebeka unu si Biafra, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawe bozo gabi, agaghị m Biafra gawa ebe ọzọ gabibi Biafra ga-adị